Rebecca from Mama Bear Custom Wreaths, and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. I make wreaths, swags, fake bakes, all things home decor, and I show you how I do it all. So for today's tutorial, we're gonna make one of those little Valentine hearts, those little candies that have the names like kisses, hugs, whatever. So I want to make a big one. I might use it as a wreath attachment, or I might just put it on in my home for my Valentine's Day decor. I fix up my kitchen, my dining room, the living room. And I know right now it's in style for people to keep their Christmas trees up, take down the Christmas decorations, but decorate for Valentine's Day and for subsequent holidays. So these would look great on one of those as well. So we are going to use, I'm going to make a couple different colors, but for this one, we're going to use strawberry paint, any kind of acrylic paint, any pink you want, purple, whatever color, little sponge brush. I got these letters at Hobby Lobby. So this one's going to say love and a heart. They sell these everywhere. So take a pick. And of course, a little bit of some water to soften our brush. And I forgot to get paper towels just in case I make a mess, which I tend to. Hot glue gun to put our letters in. So let's get started. So, okay. So, our paint, I'm just gonna put it on there. That's it. And just paint it on. I really like this color. It's bright pink. So I'm not going to do all three in this video, but I was thinking of doing a bright pink, a light pink, and maybe a like purple lavender. And I might, I was thinking kind of like doing that would be my theme for the kitchen. It's just like Valentine's Day candies. So we're just gonna paint this with our little sponge brush, keeping our strokes in the same direction. And if you make wreaths, these are a great wreath attachment that you can make and customize. You can put all kinds of words on there. Maybe customize it and put someone's name. So this, I'm probably going to do 2 coats, but I'm going to let this one dry, and I'll do another coat. When this one dries, maybe, we'll see. I like pink. And I like red. I don't know if you could tell I like red. So that's what it looks like with one coat. Isn't that cute? Okay, so we're gonna let that dry. Open these up, get our letters out. All right, so I think that looks good. So let's just get our hot glue gun. And put our L. Then our O. We just attach them to our heart. Simple, huh? This is so simple, but this is so cute. And if you try to buy this someplace, it's gonna cost you like what, $18? Maybe more. So I'm all about making my own stuff. I like handmade things anyway. Like even purchasing stuff. I rather purchase stuff that's handmade. It just looks better. There's love in it, you know. Support other small businesses. And this is how it came out. Isn't that cute? So I have some more colors that I'm gonna do. One in lavender, one in light pink, but this is so cute. I'm gonna say kiss, hug, stuff like that. And I may go back and get the letters to put my kids' names on here. Super fun, super easy, and under 10 bucks you can make this. So enjoy. Put this on your wreath, put it in your home. In your classroom, wherever. This is really cute. If you guys like this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel, leave me a thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next tutorial. Bye!